Ladies and gentlemen, welcome aboard our virtual journey through the captivating island of Bali. Prepare to be spellbound as we unveil the top 8 must-visit destinations that epitomize the essence of Bali's allure. From the tranquil emerald expanses of Tagalang's rice terraces to the awe-inspiring grandeur of Uluwatu's cliffside temples. Each stop on our itinerary promises a glimpse into Bali's rich tapestry of culture and natural beauty. Join us as we delve into the heart of Bali's vibrant culture, where ancient traditions blend seamlessly with modern-day allure. Whether you're craving serenity on Bali's pristine beaches or seeking enlightenment in its sacred temples, our tour has something for every discerning traveler. So, dear explorers, sit back, relax, and allow us to be your guide through Bali Bliss. Discover the top 8 must-visit destinations. Your adventure begins now. Number 1. Journey of Serenity, exploring Embark Temple in Bali. Welcome to Embark Temple, nestled in the picturesque landscapes of Bali. This revered site beckons you to embark on a spiritual journey amidst its sacred spring water. Marvel at the intricate Balinese architecture that surrounds you as you partake in purification rituals that have stood the test of time. Immerse yourself in the tranquil ambience of this sanctuary, where the gentle flow of water and the scent of incense create an atmosphere of peace and reflection. Join us as we explore the rich cultural heritage and timeless traditions of Embark, a place where the spirit of Bali comes alive. Number 2. Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, where nature and culture unite. Welcome to the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary, nestled in Ubud's heart, where nature and spirituality intertwine seamlessly. Here, amidst ancient temples and towering trees, over 700 playful macaques call this sanctuary home. Join us on a journey through lush jungle pathways, where you'll witness the harmony of Balinese Hinduism and the natural world. As you stroll, prepare for spontaneous encounters with our mischievous residents, adding an extra thrill to your spiritual exploration. With its captivating blend of nature and culture, the Sacred Monkey Forest Sanctuary promises an unforgettable experience for those seeking a deeper connection to Bali's rich heritage. Number 3. Seminyak Beach, where luxury meets leisure. Welcome to Seminyak Beach, a slice of paradise on Bali's southwest coast. Here, golden sands and crystal-clear waters create the perfect backdrop for your tropical getaway. Join us as we explore this vibrant stretch of coastline, where relaxation and adventure go hand in hand. Feel the soft sand between your toes as you soak up the sun's warmth, or take a refreshing dip in the inviting ocean. Indulge in the upscale amenities and trendy beach clubs that line the shore, catering to every traveler's desire for luxury and sophistication. Whether you're sipping cocktails by the sea or marveling at the stunning sunset, Seminyak Beach offers an unforgettable escape for those seeking the finer things in life. Number 4. Mount Batur, embark on an epic journey above the clouds. Welcome to Mount Batur, an iconic peak rising majestically from Bali's central highlands. Join us on an adventure of a lifetime as we ascend this active volcano, immersing ourselves in the island's awe-inspiring landscapes. As we trek towards the summit, anticipation builds for the breathtaking sunrise that awaits us. Witness the world awaken from its slumber as the first rays of light paint the sky in hues of gold and pink, revealing the stunning vistas of the crater lake and verdant valleys below. Whether you're a seasoned hiker or a nature enthusiast, Mount Batur promises an unforgettable experience, where every moment is filled with wonder and excitement. Number 5. Ubud Monkey Forest, explore the enchanting jungle oasis. Welcome to the Ubud Monkey Forest, nestled in the heart of Ubud, where adventure awaits amidst lush greenery and ancient temples. Home to a lively community of over 700 long-tailed macaques, this captivating sanctuary offers a fascinating glimpse into their playful world. Join us as we venture through towering trees and sacred sites, encountering these curious creatures along the way. As you immerse yourself in the tranquility of the forest, listen to the soothing sounds of nature and marvel at the beauty that surrounds you. With its unique blend of wildlife and cultural heritage, the Ubud Monkey Forest promises an unforgettable experience for travelers seeking an authentic Bali adventure. Number 6. Tanah Lot Temple, Bali's iconic coastal marvel. Tanah Lot Temple, Bali's famed sea sanctuary perched dramatically on a rocky outcrop along the southwestern coast. Join us on a journey of spiritual reverence and natural wonder as we explore this mesmerizing offshore temple. Witness the majestic waves crashing against ancient walls, creating a captivating spectacle that leaves visitors in awe. Accessible only during low tide, Tanah Lot's picturesque setting offers an ethereal ambience, particularly enchanting during the golden hues of sunset. Step into the temple's sacred grounds to admire its intricate architecture adorned with traditional Balinese motifs. Whether seeking spiritual enlightenment or simply reveling in the breathtaking scenery, Tanah Lot Temple promises an unforgettable exploration of Bali's cultural heritage and coastal charm. Number 7. Tegalalang Rice Terraces, Bali's verdant masterpiece. Tegalalang Rice Terraces, a breathtaking testament to Bali's rich agricultural heritage and natural beauty. Carved into the lush green hillsides of Ubud, these cascading terraces offer a mesmerizing panorama of vibrant rice paddies stretching as far as the eye can see. Step into a world of tranquility as you wander through narrow pathways that wind between the terraces, immersing yourself in the serene ambience of rural Bali. Marvel at the ingenuity of generations past as you witness traditional farming methods still practiced today. Whether you're capturing the perfect photograph, enjoying a leisurely stroll, or simply admiring the verdant landscape, the Tegalalang Rice Terraces promise an unforgettable glimpse into the timeless allure of Bali's countryside. Number 8. Uluwatu Temple, Bali's cliffside sanctuary. Uluwatu Temple, perched atop towering cliffs overlooking the boundless expanse of the Indian Ocean, is a beautiful sentinel of Bali's spiritual legacy. This ancient sea temple provides tourists a compelling blend of natural beauty and historic significance with its dramatic location on the Bukit Peninsula. Uluwatu becomes a captivating sight to see when the sun sets, illuminating the ancient walls of the temple with a golden glow. This is especially true during traditional Quechua dance performances. Discover the rich mythology of Bali through the exquisite stone sculptures as you stroll around the temple's hallowed grounds. Uluwatu Temple gives visitors an amazing experience, whether they are there for spiritual enlightenment or just to enjoy the breathtaking vistas. See you on another videos. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment.